Let's start a new questions. Explain applications of GIS in town planning. Application of GIS in town planning. GIS plays a crucial role in town planning by integrating spatial and non-spatial data to help planners design sustainable, efficient, and well-structured urban environment. Here are the key applications of GIS in town planning. First is a land use planning. First, in land use planning, zoning and growth, urban growth analysis is important. GIS helps planner in zoning activity by mapping residential, commercial, industrial, and agricultural zones. It assists in regulating land use, determining the best location for different land uses, and ensure efficient urban developments. Urban growth analysis. GIS is used to monitor and analyze urban sprawl, helping planners manage and control the expansions of cities in an organized manner. Second is the infrastructure planning. In this infrastructure planning, there are two type of planning. First is the transportation networks and second is the utility services. Let's say first transportation networks. Transportation network help in transportation network. GIS helps design transportation systems, road, railway, public transit by analyzing population density, traffic patterns, and existing infrastructure. It aids in identifying optimal routes, improving connectivity, and reducing traffic congestions. Utility services. GIS is used to plan and map and distributions of essential services like water supply, sewage systems, power grids, and telecommunications. It ensures proper services delivery to all areas of the town, optimizing resource use. Third is the environmental planning and conservations. Green space management (GIS) helps in identifying and planning green areas such as parks, forests, and recreational spaces within the city. It ensures that urban development include adequate open spaces to promote a healthy environment. Environment impact assessment (EIA) is a GIS is a crucial role for EIA in assessing the environmental impact of urban development project. It helps in identifying areas sensitive to development such as wetlands, forests, or floodplains and aids in creating strategies to minimize environmental harms. Fourth is a population and demographic analysis. GIS helps in mapping demographic data such as population density, age distributions, and socio-economic status. This information is crucial for planning residential area, public facilities, and service based on the population need and growth trends. Fifth is the disaster management and risk assessments. Hazard mappings. GIS is useful to identify areas at risk in natural disasters such as flood, earthquakes, and land uses. Planners use this data to avoid development in high risk areas or create mitigation plans like flood control measures or earthquake resistance infrastructures. Emergency response planning in GIS helps in planning evacuation routes, identifying safe zones, and positioning emergency services like fire stations and hospitals in strategic locations. Sixth point is about urban redevelopment and renewal. GIS aid in identifying deteriorating and under underutilized areas that need redevelopment by analyzing land use patterns, property value, and infrastructure quality. Planners can prioritize areas for urban renewal projects. Seventh is the resource allocation. GIS supports efficient allocations of resources such as schools, hospitals, public transport, and waste management services. By analyzing population density and needs, planners can distribute resource more effectively across different urban zones. It is a building regulation and permits. GIS can track the approval process for building permits, ensuring that the new construction follows local zoning laws and building codes. It helps in regulating building heights, density, and land use, aligning construction with the town planning objectives. Ninth is the visualization of public engagement. GIS allows for the creations of detailed map and 3D models of urban areas, helping planners visualize potential development scenarios. This tool also aid in engaging the public, allowing stakeholders to better understand town planning proposals and provide feedbacks. 10th is a smart city development. In context of smart city planning, GIS is used for integrating data from a sensors, IoT devices, and other smart technologies. This help in optimizing urban services, improving energy efficiency, and enhancing the overall quality of the life of the residents. By providing an integrated platform for data analysis, mapping, and visualization, GIS enables town planner to make informed decisions, optimize land use, and develop sustainable livable urban environment. Thank you.